USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in same page on the ongoing civil justice sign-off process. That is, I, Vedapriya Prose, signing off for myself to get the civil justice. It is because Republica United States of American government only mandated poverty for me and created and enforced finance disability for me and also created by creating robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime for a nation to enforce poverty for a civilian, right? So I am just signing off the civil justice for myself according to the Holy Bible guidelines, and I'm reading the civil justice sign off so that all nations, 7.9 plus billions of humans, all are in the same page, and being aware that I am signing the civil justice sign off for myself. Okay, and be patient, I sure will get civil justice for remaining the total population as well. Okay, for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So the scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide as in Republica Queen Elizabeth II of London, Britain, England, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge. And it is a fatal negligence of Queen Elizabeth II of London, Queen Elizabeth II of Britain, Queen Elizabeth II of England, and it is crime for Queen Elizabeth of England to be fatal negligence and to fail in Queen, Holy Highness, God of USA job. Either USA government should say knows who is Queen Elizabeth II of London, Queen Elizabeth II of Britain, Queen Elizabeth II of England, or either USA government should say don't know who is Queen Elizabeth II of London, Queen Elizabeth II of Britain, Queen Elizabeth II of England. And the extended civil justice sign off is I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off for myself. Republica Queen Elizabeth II of London, Republica Queen Elizabeth II of Britain, Republica Queen Elizabeth II of England, with fatal negligence, failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate help program to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government, GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and then President Trump, then Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, in October 2018 only enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away 4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, as in February 6th of 2021. And they also, the United States of America also enforced the finance disability to I, Vedapriya Prose, and it is a crime for United States of America to enforce finance disability for I. It is a crime for Republica Queen Elizabeth II of London, Republica Queen Elizabeth II of Britain, Republica Queen Elizabeth II of England, Holy Highness, and God of USA, when ruling USA, never educated USA, never should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And Republica Queen Elizabeth II of Britain must sign off tax-free $1 billion and direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, for civil justice, as in Holy Bible guidelines, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya is a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Vatican leader now is a civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Pro Se, to become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, DCF, Department of Health Services, DOJ, IRS, Agriculture Services, Imports, Exports, Fair Trade Processing, Military Processing in all nations across the globe is a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Pro Se, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now, and that is the civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page on the perfect heaven way civil justice served according to the Holy Bible guidelines. Talk to you all soon and have a good day. Bye for now.